Hello everyone, this is Kaushik from Vibha. Today we have released our top 8 teams of Sankalp Codathon. Sankalp Codathon is our second event in Mission Antarprerana. We have already conducted Rachana Blogathon, which is exclusively for bloggers. From that, we have selected top 10 teams. Our next event will be Customer On, which is for public relations, corporate relations, sales and marketing interested students. That will be a great event which will be announced in 2 or 3 days. I request all the students who are interested in public corporate relations, sales and marketing can participate in that event. So coming to Sankalp Codathon, the statistics goes like this. We have got participation from 9 states and 25 colleges, and number of students are 288. So this is like a huge number. I thank each and everyone who have participated in the event. There are so many other events which we are going to conduct. In order to make the Sankalp Codathon successful, I would like to congratulate our technical partner Avasyu. Why? Because we have conducted our first round on Avasyu Tech platform. First of all, I would like to thank Avasyu for giving the platform for conducting Codathon. Next, coming to our partners, we have so many partners this time who have helped us in conducting this event, namely Dr. Enemy, Smiles Foundation, Outshed Digital Media, Edzinos, Skillship Foundation, Baudik Ventures, and Skillship Vibha. I'm sorry if I have missed anyone, but these are the people who are always supporting us in whatever events we conduct. Next, coming to our Vibha team, I always love my team. Why? Because they are the people from day one to this time. They are very hardworking. They have contacted each and every student in every scenario. You all might have seen how our people were contacting you, and whatever problems are there, they are at your service. I would like to thank my whole Vibha team for doing this event and for making this event very much successful. Thank you very much, Vibha team, and I would like to thank all our mentors who have participated with us, and at the same time they have evaluated all the entries whichever have come. This is not like one time I have asked them to mentor. They not only mentored, they have judged so many teams, and I have asked them to judge it 2 times and 3 times. I would like to thank for their patience in judging all the teams. So I would like to thank each and every stakeholder who is there in Sankalp Codathon, and thank you very much. And please participate in whatever events we as a Vibha conduct. Thank you.